Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a new assignment. The name of the assignment is June 19 Access PU01 PS2 Room Inventory Database. I am a professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. I am a professional. I can do MyITLab courses, Simnet courses, and Engage courses for you, like Microsoft Excel, Access, PowerPoint, Word, Math, Stat, Business Math, Accounting, Finance, Writing, Technical Programming. If you want any assistance related to these courses or any other course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. So let's start the assignment. So we move towards steps to perform in instruction. First step says to open the access file which we have downloaded with the instruction file. Then in next step it says create a new table. In design view, the table will store the room types. New table in design room. Add the following fields: room type, room, set the data type of the room, long text, accept the default type for the room type field, change the field size of room type field to 20 into 20. Do not assign a primary key. Save new table as this. The data for this table has been sorted in the text file with tabs. Import the data, append data. Room type. So we have imported this. Then add a new field to be the prime key in TBA. The field should be the first field. Ensure that the field name is this. Auto number. Prime. Save and close the close this. Then I'm a professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. So next step, it says create a new table in design view. This table stores information. Add the room ID, resort floor, square feet, room type ID. Set the data type of room ID for short and set the remaining data types to number. Change the field size of room ID to 30. Set the field size of resort floor to integer. Then set the remaining field sizes to long integer. Assign room ID as primary key. Save table as this. Data should be add these for me. So we will add these for me. One one two one two zero one two zero two three. Floor. $500 $2,500 $620 $620 $620 $700 $1,000 $14. RoomType 3 4 4. Close the table. So in next step it says the resort has been tracking inventory items in X import the spreadsheet. Spreadsheet. New table. We will import this spreadsheet again. First row contains this. No primary key. And this. Then in design view, we will add a field item ID, auto number, so this is primary. We will remove this field, change the field size of item 9 to 20. Item description field to 40. The color field to 20. Item count field to now integer. Save and close. I'm a professional. If you want me to do this assignment, to do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in next video.